vacation.
Matter of fact, I am.
The trick is to hang on. What will become of us, Dodge? Ride off into the sunset, live happily ever after?
Well, marriage.
Of course.
Kids, I suppose.
Naturally.
I got some sort of scam.
Taxes maybe.
Lose all our money.
Oh, the family home?
Then, after a brief term in jail,
Ooh, you'll like it there.
I'd be you.
Oh, quickly followed by dementia.
What was your name again?
My friends call me Lexi.
Fine.
You can call me Miss Middleton.
That'd be nice. Well, Miss Middleton, you should be well on your own right now. You're a joke.
Isla keelpastilles bij Kriebelhoek.